Yeah, so this is our LXN undercounter commercial dishwasher. And the main thing that we won the Innovation Award for is our second level rack. So most undercounters on the market right now, you can only do the lower rack into the dish machine. We introduced a second level rack. So what this allows us to do is get more wear into the dish machine. We can actually get up to 48 racks per hour now by putting that second level rack in. If you've got larger ware that you need to wash, it's easy to take the rack out, still use just a single rack, and then when you're ready, you can put the rack back in and be washing more ware, 48 racks per hour. So this is a great solution if you've got an operation where you just don't got a lot of space, but you need to get a lot clean. This allows you to do it, and that's what we won the award for.